challenges, and oral solid drug products with immediate or modified release profiles. We have launched and continue to refine our first-in-human services. Simplify Solutions is an integrated drug substance and drug product service specifically aimed at advancing compounds rapidly to phase 1 studies. The service is focused on poorly soluble molecules and designed to be flexible so that customers can access any or all of the service components. Our site network is aimed at servicing the critical US and European markets. We continue our efforts to ensure that our site network is fully integrated with consistent protocols, SOPs, data management, etc., for a seamless customer experience. Our track record on small molecule programs includes over 350 therapies in clinical development and over 270 commercial APIs and intermediates. We have supported over 30% of small molecule breakthrough therapy designation launches in the past 5 years. We support a full range of customers, from virtual biopharma to big pharma, with flexible service offerings to meet specific program needs. As for the focus of today's discussion, amorphous solid dispersions are one answer to the growing market need for solubility enhancement. As the plot on the left illustrates, over 60% of new drug product candidates are classified as high permeability, low solubility compounds. The amorphous form of these molecules can provide significant solubility enhancement, but as the plot on the right shows, the amorphous forms are also